Hi friends, this lesson is for Module 5, Lesson 5. We've been talking all about shapes, flat ones, 3D ones. Today we're going to do something super fun. Our learning goal says, I can identify shapes found in a group of shapes. Now yesterday I was showing you how I could put a whole bunch of different pattern blocks together and use that good math tool to make some pictures. And we practiced with the pattern blocks yesterday, just making some shapes. Well, today what we're going to do is we're going to look at some pictures that I made with pattern blocks and then figure out what shapes are inside the picture. Let me show you. Okay, so I got out my pattern blocks and this is the first shape I made. Yeah, I know, isn't it totally cool? It's a gigantic triangle. All right, but within my triangle, there are different shapes. Do you see the two shapes that are in there? Well, there are triangles, and what are those yellow shapes, friends? Yeah, hexagons with their 6 sides. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, because our learning goal said I need to identify the shapes in there, I want to count and see how many triangles I have. I'm just going to touch each one and count on as I touch. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, there are 7 triangles in my super duper large triangle. I'm going to do the same thing with hexagons now. 1, 2, 3. All right, there are 3 hexagons. See? All I'm doing is looking at a super duper fun picture of a gigantic shape with a group of different shapes all together. And then I'm going to pick out the ones that are on the inside. Let's try another one. All right, boom. I made a gigantic trapezoid. I don't know what it is about me, but I love to do that. I love to make gigantic shapes. All right, I want you to press pause, and I want you to see if you can go get your dry erase board or your math journal, and I want you to write down the 4 different shapes that you see. Press play to check yourself. Okay, did you write down the 4 shapes you see? Perfect. So the first shape I saw was a triangle. I'm going to go ahead and count how many triangles I see. This one's pretty easy, because there's just one. All right, the next shape I found was a hexagon. That's that 6-sided figure. And again, there's only one. Friend, did you have triangle? Did you have hexagon? Oh, perfect. What's that blue one shape? Or that red one shape? Oh, the blue one's a rhombus. All right, so the rhombus, and how many rhombuses are there? Just one. And that last red shape, it's a wild shape. It has a wild name. Yeah, a trapezoid. And there's only one trapezoid. So see how I had a group of shapes, but I was able to identify the shapes that are hidden on the inside? The ones that I put together to make my big shape? That's all we're doing today, friends. How did you do? Did you get 1 triangle, 1 hexagon, 1 rhombus, and 1 trapezoid? You did? Ugh, what a rock star. If you didn't, that's okay. We're going to try another one. This time, I was having fun making big shapes, but I decided to make a super duper kitty cat. Isn't it so cute? Friend, what I would like you to do right now is I want you to press pause while you write down the 4 different shapes that you see, and then try to write down the number of each that you see. Okay? Press play to check yourself. So you're going to write down all the information. Okay, do you have the shapes and how many of each shapes? If you don't, press pause. Okay, here we go. So first I saw some triangles in my cute little kitty's head right there. So I counted them. 1, 2. So there are 2 triangles. Then I saw some hexagons, those big ones. And there's 1, 2. 2 hexagons again. Its legs are trapezoids. And there are 1, 2 trapezoids. And then finally the kitty's tail is a rhombus. And there's only 1 rhombus. Friend, how'd you do? Oh, good. If you mess up, don't worry. And don't forget, use the anchor charts in the pods to help you remember the different names of the shapes. All right, I know this video was short, but our learning goal was that I can identify shapes found in a group of shapes. And you did such a good job. And I want to give you extra time to have the chance to explore the pattern blocks and make pictures with them. So the video today is a little short, so it'll give you a chance to do that. What you're going to do right now is I want you to go get this exit ticket from your teacher. Now at the bottom, or at the top, it says, look at the shapes and make up the large square. And underneath the picture it says, color all the triangles green, color all the squares orange, and color all the trapezoids red. So go get your exit ticket, and then you're going to color all the triangles green. You're going to color all the squares orange, and you're going to color all the trapezoids red. And that's how you're going to show that you can find the little shapes made with inside a bigger one. All right, good luck, friends.